Lucid Trading is one of the fastest growing prop firms out there, and we can see the Trustpilot rating is at 4.7. So in today's video, I'm going to talk all about the Lucid Flex accounts. Now, Lucid does have 4 different account types. They have the Lucid Pro, which you can pass in as little as 1 day. They have the Lucid Black, where you can get quicker payouts. And then they have the Lucid Flex account, which is the accounts that I currently have. Right now, existing users, use code Mike. You can save 40% off. Get these accounts for $91. But if you've never traded with Lucid, I believe your first 5 accounts, if you use promo code Mike, you can get 50% off your first 5 purchases. So now let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick. And I do want to show you on the back end real quick. I have 5 funded accounts that I could potentially take a payout. The payout requirement, we have to have 5 days where I have a minimum profit of $150. And you can see all 5 of these accounts have met that requirement. However, it'll be updated today after the close. Now, I did make an oopsie doopsie yesterday at the end of the live stream, which we'll discuss here in just a little bit. So when we go over to the FAQ real quick, let's take a look at the evaluation. Well, the 50K account, which is the account size that I have, we're able to trade 4 minis or 40 micros. That's going to be plenty. There is a 50% consistency rule, but that consistency rule only applies in the evaluation phase. And something that myself and other traders really like about this is there is 0 activation fee. There is no daily loss limit. We come over and look at Lucid accounts. One thing that separates Lucid from other prop firms out there, when you pay the evaluation fee, it's a one-time fee. It's not a reoccurring monthly fee. So if it takes you 2, 3, 4, 5, even 6 months to pass, well, as long as you have not hit your daily loss limit, you only have been out of pocket, in this case with the current sale, $91. So there's no need to go ahead and rush and try to get these accounts funded, which could cause us to make many mistakes. Now we look at the funded account with Lucid, and here's where things are going to change here just a little bit. In the 50K account, there is a scaling rule. Maximum contracts are going to be 4 minis or 40 micros. Again, there's no daily loss limit, and there is no consistency rule. So if you're a trader that likes to go for big winning days, well, Lucid Flex may be a good option for you. Now, if you're going to look at consistency, keep in mind this only applies in the evaluation phase, but it basically says no one day can be more than 50% of the total profit. And this is going to be very important because one thing you want to note, since we have a $3,000 profit target in the $50,000 account, let's say you make $3,000 on day number 1. Now, in order to pass, you're going to have to make $6,000 total since they have an end of the day drawdown. If you are over $1,500 in the 50K account, just simply lose a couple trades. Don't make this harder on yourself to pass the evaluation. Now, Lucid does build in a slight cushion. We can actually make in the 50K account $1,560 and still be considered within that 50% consistency rule. So I do like that Lucid also does that. But then we look at payouts. This is what us traders care about the most. What are the rules in order to be eligible for a payout? Let's talk about something I like before we look at what the actual rule is. We, the trader, get to keep 90% of the profits. Lucid only gets to keep 10%. Now we look at the eligibility criteria. Very simple. We have to have 5 separate trading days during the payout cycle. The minimum profit on the trading day, and if you look at the minimum of the 50K account, has to be $150. So now if I come back over here to my account real quick and I go over to details, now I'm copying this across 5 accounts. All right, day number 1, $798. That's more than $150. Day number 2, $459. Well, that again is more than $150. Day 3, $265. Day 4, $206. And then on day number 5, on the live stream, I had this account over $150. But then after the stream, I had that little greed monster on my shoulder saying, Mike, let's just take one more trade. Let's just see if we can push that profit up a little bit. Bam, the market smacked me down. So I took another trade, smacked me down. And I took another trade and got smacked down again, ending up with a red day. And that's a good lesson. Stop when you are ahead. So I could have potentially requested a payout yesterday, and the total account balances would have been higher yesterday than what they are today, even though on day number 6, I was able to make $208. Now, on the back end of Lucid, you'll see this counter where it says minimum profit days. They have the counter total there for you, so it's very easy to see. how many more days you need to make $150 or more of profit in order to be eligible for a payout. Now let's talk about payout minimums and maximum. Now the minimum you can take out is going to be $500. Now something that I'm a big advocate of is in these prop accounts, regardless if it's Lucid, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Apex, whichever prop firm you trade with, whenever you're eligible for a payout, it's always a good idea to put a little bit of money in your pocket. And that's what I was thinking about doing last night before I made that oopsie doopsie at the end of the stream. But notice in the 50K account, we can request 50% of the total profit up to $2,000. So the maximum I can take out per payout cycle is going to be $2,000. The minimum is going to be $500. And again, in the Lucid Flex account, there is no buffer. So if you're a trader that hates that pesky little buffer requirement, the Lucid Flex may be a good option for you. Now, drawdown. Lucid Trading has end of the day drawdown. Not only can we see it back over here in the FAQ, but also right here on the home page. You can see right here where it says drawdown type, end of the day. Now, if you'd like to find the prop firm that best suits your needs, come right over here to Prop Firm Mike. Not only can we search by the firms, but we can click this little button, go right there under challenges. We can say $50,000 account. Let's say we want end of the day drawdown and you want a profit split of 90% or more. We can see all the options that come up. Then if we double click these little arrows right here, we can search from the lowest to the highest price. And notice Lucid Flex is the best bang for your buck for that criteria. And what's even best, we can click right on there where it says Lucid. It'll bring you to Lucid's page. Then you can also scroll down, learn about all the evaluation rules, all the hard breach rules, the excluded countries, along with the rules once you are in a funded account. And don't forget, you can always click right next to the challenge, click on the promo code. That way I get credit for it. It helps me do giveaways on these channels. Then you simply click get funded. It'll take you right there to the prop firm page. Now, let me know in the comment section down below, which Lucid account do you guys like best? Is it the Lucid Pro, Lucid Black, Lucid Flex, or the Lucid Direct accounts? If you guys like to see me do a full breakdown of the Lucid Black account, make sure to watch this next video right here.